Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the failed to initialize video error in OBS Studio. First, restart your computer. After the restart, try launching OBS. Sometimes this fixes the problem. Next, update your graphics drivers. Go to the official website of your graphics card manufacturer. If you use NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, download the latest driver for your exact graphics card model. During installation, choose the Clean Installation option if available. This removes old files and replaces them with fresh ones. After the update is complete, restart your computer and try opening OBS again. If the problem is still there, completely close OBS. Make sure it is not running in the system tray. Then press Windows key and R on your keyboard. Type %, and press Enter. Open the OBS Studio folder. Inside, find the folder called Basic. Rename it to Basic Old. You can also rename the whole OBS Studio folder to OB Studio Old. This will reset OBS settings and force it to create new default files when you open it again. Now launch OBS and check if the error is fixed. If nothing works, uninstall OBS from your computer. Then download the latest version from the official website and install it again. One of these steps should fix the issue and allow OBS to start normally. Thanks for watching.